Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can reduce the noise in your videos in Davinci Resolve, so let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I have a video loaded up. This is a video of a previous tutorial that I've done, and sadly there isn't too much noise, so you guys won't be able to see the effects very well. However, I will be going over the steps, what you can do, and the tools you should use, and you can go ahead and experiment with your own videos to determine the best options for you. Now, firstly, once you've entered your video into the timeline, what you want to do is go into the color tab in the bottom. Once you're here, you want to go into motion effects, which is this sort of a moving image sort of or an image with a trail icon, and once you click on that, then you'll see the motion effects, which are temporal noise reduction, spatial noise reduction, and motion blur. And what you want to do firstly is go and click on nodes to enable the nodes and add another node which will mark as a corrector, and just place it there. Now you can rename your other node, you can do whatever you want with it, but with the first node, what we're going to be doing is to enable temporal NR. Originally the frames will be 0. You want to set them to, I don't know, 3, 5, whatever you want. You can experiment with that, and now you can play around with the settings. You have motion estimation, which can be faster, which is faster but isn't as high quality. You have better, which is slower but is higher quality, and none, which is just disabled. I'll just keep it at faster. And you have motion range, which in this case is small, since it is just a video of a screen recording. However, you can set it to large depending on the movement of your video. Then you have luma and chroma temporal thresholds. Luma is for light, chroma is for color. If you click this chain right left to it, if it's white, it is connected. So if I change luma to 5, the chroma will change to 5 as well. If I disconnect it, I can change the chroma independently, for example 5 and 10. Also, motion can be set to 50. You can do whatever you want with it. Then you have spatial NR. Mode is again faster, better. I explained that for the motion estimation. Excuse me. You have the radius, which I'll keep at large, and again spatial threshold, luma, chroma. I've already explained this. I'll set luma to 10 and chroma to 20. And then you have motion blur, which you can just disable, set to none. If you don't want motion blur, you can do whatever you want with it, and then that should be good enough. Now if I play the video, it is very slow since it is doing its magic. It is reducing the noise. However, you guys will need to play around with the settings to see what is best for your video. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.